All right, so let's talk about some of these exercises they have for you to work on for homework. So, for example, number 1 says la bonne réponse, which means the right choice, or the right response. Lisons, which means let's read. So it's the first day of school. Choose the most logical response you might hear for each phrase in the left column. So first you're going to read number 1, which says, Bonjour, Madame Fayot. And then you need to come over here and see which of these makes sense with this sentence. So for example, Je m'appelle Anne. Think about what that says, and you can even come over to the other page and remind yourself, what does Je m'appelle mean? Well, it means my name is Anne, so that wouldn't really work with Bonjour Madame Fayot, right? What would work? Oh, she would say hello back, right? So she would say Bonjour Ludovic. So go ahead and look over them. I'm going to read them so you can practice reading them also. So, number 2, à tout à l'heure. Numéro 3, comment il s'appelle? Numéro 4, comment tu t'appelles? Numéro 5, bonsoir monsieur. A, je m'appelle Anne. B, il s'appelle Maxime. C, bonsoir Mélanie. D, bonjour Ludovic. E, à plus tard. So for number 2, you would need to listen. I'm hoping to make a video for this one soon that you can use for number 2. But I don't have the CDs, so unfortunately I can't use the ones the books actually have. For number 3, qu'est-ce qu'on dit? Which means, what are they saying? Or what is one saying? Écrivons means, let's write. What do you think each of these people is saying? Write a short conversation for each situation. So for numéro 1, you would kind of think about what's going on here. If you look at these 3 people, she's clearly whispering about somebody. He's kind of looking on, so you can maybe guess that. Especially if we remember, we want to think back to the vocab we're using, and we want to use this vocab to describe this situation. So an example might be her saying, Ooh, comment il s'appelle? She's trying to ask her what his name is, perhaps. So then you would write, il s'appelle, and you can make up a name. So coming up with a little description of what might be going on is kind of what they're looking for here. Again, if we look at this one, it's 2 people greeting each other. Look at them. Do you think they're going to be formal with each other or informal with each other? And same with this one. Do these people look like they already know each other? Are they saying hello or are they saying goodbye? Is he going to speak formally to him? What about the other way around? Think about those things and write some little paragraphs using your new vocabulary.